Have you ever heard about the world's most dangerous bird? Meet the cassowary, an enigmatic creature that certainly lives up to its title. This extraordinary bird stands taller than most humans, with the larger species reaching up to 6.5 feet in height and weighing as much as 60 kilograms. That's heavier than a full-grown golden retriever. The cassowary's appearance is as striking as its size. Its body is covered in glossy black feathers, but the head and neck explode in a riot of color from vivid blue to deep red. Atop its head, it sports a helmet-like casque, and on its feet, dagger-like claws. These remarkable birds are native to the lush tropical forests of New Guinea and northeastern Australia. There they've become an essential part of the ecosystem, dispersing seeds and helping plants to grow. You might be wondering, why is this bird considered so dangerous? Well, buckle up. We're about to dive into some fascinating facts. Believe it or not, cassowaries have been around for millions of years. They first appeared in the prehistoric era, and they're one of the few species that have managed to survive this long. Over time, these magnificent birds have evolved to adapt to their changing environments. Cassowaries have always played a crucial role in the ecosystem. They are known as gardeners of the rainforest because they disperse seeds through their droppings, helping the growth of new plants. This makes them an integral part of maintaining the health and diversity of the rainforest. Additionally, cassowaries have a deep cultural significance for indigenous communities in Australia and New Guinea. They are often featured in local myths and legends, and their feathers and bones are used in traditional ceremonies. So you see, the cassowary is not just a bird, it's a living testament to our planet's history, playing a vital role in both the natural world and human cultures. The cassowary is not just a bird, it's a living testament to our planet's history. Now let's talk about why the cassowary holds the title for the world's most dangerous bird. You see, the cassowary is much like a superhero of the bird world. Just as superheroes have their special powers, the cassowary has a few of its own. It possesses a pair of powerful legs equipped with razor-sharp claws. When it feels cornered or threatened, it can deliver a powerful kick that can be quite harmful. These kicks are often a last resort, a desperate move to protect themselves. There have been instances where a cassowary has used these formidable defenses to fend off threats. Imagine a scenario where a harmless creature suddenly turns into a swift, claw-bearing kickboxing champion. That's the cassowary for you. Now, before you get too worried, it's important to note that cassowaries are not typically aggressive creatures. In fact, they're quite shy and would rather avoid humans if they can. It's only when they feel threatened or cornered that they might resort to using their special powers. So if you ever come across a cassowary in the wild, remember to give it its space. Treat it with respect, much like you would any other creature in the wild. After all, they are merely trying to defend themselves, just like any one of us would in a similar situation. So, while they might be ranked as the world's most dangerous birds, cassowaries are more about defense than offense. Ready for some fun facts about the cassowary? Let's dive right in. One of the most fascinating things about these birds is their remarkable ability to swim. That's right. Despite their heavy bodies and stout legs, cassowaries are incredibly agile in water. They use their strong legs to paddle and can swim across wide rivers and even in the ocean. Now, what's on the menu for these large birds? Cassowaries love fruits. They are known to chow down on over 100 different types of fruit in the wild. Their favorite? The cassowary plum, named after them, of course. But don't be fooled by their fruit-loving nature. They also consume insects, fungi, and even small animals when the opportunity arises. Here's a delightful twist in the tale of cassowaries. It's the males who take on the role of stay-at-home dads. Once the female lays her eggs, the male takes over the incubation process, keeping the eggs warm and safe for about 50 days. After the chicks hatch, the devoted father raises them for up to 16 months, teaching them the ways of the wild. So there you have it, the cassowary, a unique, ancient, and indeed the world's most dangerous bird. But remember, they are creatures to be respected, not feared.